Hello everyone. Welcome back to 3 to 69 Path to Knowledge and Financial Freedom. Do you want to learn how to grow your money through investing? There are several investment strategies that investors can use to grow their wealth. We will introduce you to the 3 most popular investing strategies. Long-term investing. Long-term investing, it is about holding onto investments for a long time, generally several years or even decades. Using compound interest and allowing investments to increase over time are the main aims of long-term investing. Long-term investors often stick onto their investments through market ups and downs in a diverse portfolio of assets. Value investing. On this method, undervalued stocks with solid fundamentals are sought after. The market occasionally undervalues stocks, offering buyers the chance to purchase high-quality businesses at a lower price. In general, you need to seek out businesses with low price-to-earnings ratios, substantial dividend yields, or robust balance sheets. It aims to acquire stocks that are trading below their actual value and hold on to them until the market realizes their full value. Dividend investing. Companies with a lengthy track record of profitability and solid financial performance tend to have dividend stocks. These stocks appeal to dividend investors because they offer a consistent income stream and potential for long-term capital growth. Investors who specialize in dividends frequently search for stocks with high dividend yields and a history of steadily raising their payouts. We will dig into more details on the different type of investments in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.